Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. I know it's a lot of people online want to know or offline want to know how can they make money or what kind of way is it to make some money? And that's what I'm going to be getting into right now. One way to make some money is to get involved in the mail order industry or get involved with mail order programs. And this one here, I think, or I recommend, is one of the best mail order programs. Like the fly say, it's been tested and proven that this fly can help you create 1K plus days. The fast results are absolutely incredible. Massive leverage, simple instant pay, and extremely explosive. And they got this right. It is a financial freedom flyer. This program right here, the Millionaire Mailer 5, I call it a oldie but goodie. It's been around 4 years, and this thing will continue to produce, I say, for the next 30 years. And it's nothing more beautiful than to just walk outside to your mailbox and receive $500 payments either through cash, either through cashier's check, or money order. Money order. But this program is, I'm gonna tell y'all, this program right here is very popular. It's a lot of big thinkers and entrepreneurs, like you say, have seen the light on how powerful it is and how much money you can make. And what's so beautiful with my flyer is 2 free spaces. Not only when you join me, you're gonna save $1,000 because you have to send me 500 and the monitor 500. And you know, with my 2 free spaces, that saves you $1,000 right there. But what's so beautiful is whenever you join the Millionaire Mailer 5, you're gonna get the Millionaire Mailers 4, 3, 2, and 1 for free. And with those, you will have a chance to make $250 commissions, $100 commissions, $50 commissions, and $25 commissions. And of course, with this one, $500 commission. So that's just a win-win. But you got to mail out on a consistent basis. And then when you get people enrolled under you, you got to preach to those people to duplicate exactly what you've been doing to get success. That's how you build a powerful team of mailers. And I say in about 5 to 7 business days, because you know the monitor business taking care of other people's kits. That'll be probably when you get your marketing kit. But he's real good about getting them out fast as he possibly can because I know the person. So I don't think that's going to be no problem. Like I say, you're going to get the mail report to show you how to make thousands with this. And like I say, I mean, you're going to save 1,000 because I have 2 free spaces on my flyer, and you're going to get involved with the Millionaire Mailer 4, 3, 2, 1. Those whole family of flyers are just incredibly popular, and like I say, they'll still be bringing in money. I believe in 30 years, seriously, as long as the monitor is still around. And he's a young guy, so I don't think he's going, anywhere no time soon. So if I were you, you want to know a way to make money. This is one thing I recommend you get involved with. The Millionaire Mail of 5. I called it an oldie but goodie, but it's not really that old. It's only 4 years old. So uh, if I were you, I would get involved. So all you got to do below this video is go to my blog and click on my blog, which is mailorderprograms.net. And then when you get there, go to the mail order programs tab, and you will also see my other mail order programs that I have to offer over there. And if you need flyers made, I got some places where you can get it printed up. And also most definitely check out my 2 stamp programs, because the biggest complaint I hear from most people is about the postage is too expensive to mail a lot of letters. So that will offset a lot of your costs if you get that program rocking and rolling. And let me tell you, by golly, those stamp programs are on fire. I don't know what it is about it, but people and just about everybody in mail order, they just love those stamp programs. So also, I've been doing this a really long time, like 11 years. So you definitely want to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, because there will be more content in the future. And the Millionaire Mail of 5 is definitely a good way to produce some extra money, to make money from the comfort of your home. So, like I say, I got 2 free spaces. So anybody else, you have to pay $2,000. With this one, you're only gonna have to pay $1,000. Then you're gonna get Millionaire 4, 3, 2, and 1 for free. So with that being said, like I say, click that bell, subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.